Let's unbox the 12GB version of the MSI RTX 3060 VENTUS 2X graphics card. This is OC edition. The box is quite compact and there's nothing really special about it. But that is to be expected with such a budget-friendly product. Let's open it up and take a look what's inside. There's some protective padding on the top, but it's not protected by any cardboard. It should be fine during shipping. Check it out. There's some kind of an envelope from MSI. Let's see what's inside. Regulatory notice, quick start guide, and MSI Reward Program invitation card. I don't think there's anything else inside of the box in terms of accessories. And indeed, that is all. Nothing else. This right here is the only seal on the entire packaging, so don't expect it to be wrapped in plastic or anything else like that. The box wasn't wrapped in plastic. And here it is. In terms of design, it looks fine. Nothing special, but also not hideous. And that's the main point of a budget graphics card. It has to look okay. But this backplate, it's plastic. So it's not really providing much in terms of rigidity. It's not metal. But it does make the card look better. And there's also ventilation here, which should help with cooling. And in terms of cooling, I spot two heat pipes. They're coming out from this side, running through here, and then over here, two more through this fin stack. The card is powered by a single 8-pin power connector. In terms of display connections, it is quite standard. One HDMI, 3 display ports. There they are. And in terms of size, it is 235 millimeters long, and it is not tall at all. Have a look at that. So this is a fairly compact graphics card. Another thing worth noting is that the heatsink fins are running horizontally, like so. So have a look at that. It means that the air will escape through here, and also there's some ventilation holes over here. So some of the air will actually escape through here as well. The memory chips do have thermal pads on them. All of them. So that should help with memory cooling and stability, especially if you're going to overclock this card. If you'd like to see how this graphics card performs in the latest games of 2024, then check it out at the link in the description below. I'll have those tests done on my main channel. And if you enjoyed this video, then don't forget to give it a like, subscribe for more like it if you haven't already, and let me know in the comments below what do you think about this graphics card. It was I, Vadim. Until next time.